let it bang.
It is the next day, Wednesday. We're at Walgreens, a different Walgreens from the one nearby my house, and we're just gonna get started. We're just jumping right into it today. So, the Dove Men Care is buy one at $5.99, get one 50% off, and get 5,000 points when you buy 4. So, I have this $1 off coupon, and I'm gonna get 2 of these ones, and then I think I'm gonna get 2 of the foam and body wash. So I decided to just get the regular ones and use the $1 off coupons, so that it'll be a smaller out-of-pocket cost. It should come to like $12, and then you get 5 back. So yeah, these are $7.99. When you get 2, you get 3,000 points. I have these 2 $3 off, so they'll be $4.99 each. You get 3,000 points back, and then I have the $3 off also on that app, so it should be like $3 for 2. Alright, so we have the same deal we did yesterday as a 2 for $5 for the pods. We have the $2 off coupons, so it'll be $1 for 2 or 50 cents each. Okay, and then next we have the Persil again. They're $5.99. We have a $2 off coupon on the app, I believe $2 or $3, and then we have the $2 paper coupon, so just get one of those. Okay, so all together with coupons, my cart should be like $17.93 for the 3 Tide Pods, the 2 razors, the 4 body wash, and the Persil. Can't help to get more toilet paper. $3.75. So, the lady in the store was rude, number one. And she normally, I don't know if she was having a bad day, but she normally lets me use all my coupons, but she didn't today, so it did not go as planned. So let's see, I only ended up getting 1 Tide, and I had to do the other 2 body washes in another transaction, and she wouldn't let me use my Persil coupon either. So the Tide came off, the 2 razors, the 2 body washes, the Persil, and then I had a $2 register reward. Subtotal was $23.69. Saved $14 with coupons, and I gained like 6,000 points. And then for the second one, I did the 2 body wash. It was $6.98. And my ending balance was $72,510. So what's that? 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. I got like $6 and some change back, basically. So like I said, this wasn't the best. She was kind of being mean in there, so I just let it go through because I needed this stuff anyway, like I said, because I wanted to get it for my brothers. So it's cool. That's why we got CVS. You know, I rock with Walgreens sometimes, and I still have, so I have like $70 in points on my account. Like I said, some Walgreens, they let you do it, some don't. This one normally let me do it, but she was acting funny today, so we finna just go on to the next one. I said I was gonna stop doing stuff on my other account, but I'm just gonna see. If I find a good deal using my other account, then I'm gonna use it, get the extra bucks, and then use the extra bucks to get more stuff. Why not? It's a nice way to finesse. Especially, like, because I don't really like using the account for everything. It's kind of just like when they have deals like this, like, spend 30, get 10. You get the $10, but you can get more stuff with the $10 that you get back. So that's why I like doing deals like that on my other account. Just for the days where I already did it on my newer account. So I'm contemplating. I did clip the coupons and stuff like that. So the last time the account did give me some problems. And then the CVS up here, the only thing is that the employees are kind of new. So like last time I was here, she didn't even know what to do when they weren't working. And we just kept doing it until it actually worked. Then again, she might have been doing something wrong. I don't really know. I don't know how that goes. But yeah. Once again, if there's any deals or steals that you guys want me to actually try out for you guys on camera, make sure you guys comment them below. So probably by the time this vlog is uploaded, it'll be time for next week's steals. So if you guys have the apps like the Walgreens app, CVS, Kroger, those apps, you can go to the app and they'll give you a sneak peek into the next week, which will be next week. So take a look at what those deals and stuff like that are, and if you see anything that you're interested in figuring out how to do or how to proceed to do it, just comment them below so that when that time does come around, I have an idea of what you guys want to see, because for the most part I do what I want to do. And at first, you guys see me, I would write down stuff, and now I just kind of wing it. Winging it is kind of more fun for me, because like when you write it down, you're just in and out. I don't know, but let me know what y'all want to see. So I said to you guys at the store, but I meant to say this. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for this channel. My brother just called me, interrupted my video, but what I was saying was, I said I was going to see you guys at the store, but I meant to say this. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for this channel, so probably it would be something related to couponing, because that's the majority of what I do on this channel. So what type of things would you like to see like in a giveaway bundle? Arrived. Spend 20 on Nexus, get 10 back. And this is $20.99 and I have a $5 off coupon. So I think I'm gonna do this just so I can get the extra bucks. So to do the spend 30, get 10 on my other account, I'm getting 1 Tide Pod, Gain Fireworks, Gain Flings, and 2 Personal. These are $5.99. These are all $4.94. I have a $3 off on the app, $2 off on the app, $2 off on the app, and I have my $2 off coupons. I got the $10 extra buck, and I actually got a $4 off for your $20 purchase on the receipt for the Tide and stuff. So it says I need to spend $3.20 more to get the other $10 extra buck, but I don't want that. But yeah, so came up to $12.98 because I gave it a $5 coupon and then the 4 off of 20. And we got $10 back, so we only paid $2. But yeah, we need $3.20 more to get the $10 extra buck. Doing the same deal as yesterday as well for this second account. You buy 2, you get $4 extra bucks. You can do this twice, so they should be $2.99 each, and then you get $4 back. So yeah, we should get 8 extra bucks back. $2 on a crest. You get an extra buck back, but it's only like paying $2. So you get $2 off, it's free, and you made $1. This isn't the 5.7. You gotta pay attention because people put them in the wrong spots. So I'm gonna get the Unstoppables. I have a $2 coupon offer here. Once I do that, I should have $28 and $29, and then I'm gonna come back and just rack up. That's my method of doing things. I like to get my extra bucks together first. So do the deals that are gonna give me extra bucks, and then I'll come back and just get everything else for free, if that makes sense. That's the way I've learned to do it. I like it better, but it's up to you. Right. So total came to $13.14. All my coupons came off, and I got my 10, I got my 1, and I got my 8. So now I have $29 in extra bucks. This is just how you stack up or stock up fast. How I do it, like you build the extra care bucks and then you come back and just wall out. So I'm gonna get the detergent and stuff, and then get any extras if I want it. Alright guys, for the last and final transaction, we have 4 Downy Unstoppables, and I have $2 off coupons for those. I have 3 Gain Flings. I have $2 coupons for these, and I have 4 Tide Pods, and I have $3 off coupons for these. With all of my coupons, it should come to like $28.34, and I have 29 extra bucks, so this should be free. Yeah, I got 3.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
No, you had them.
I said the same thing last time I was here.
Well, I didn't use it.
Okay, so I'm back in the car. For that last transaction, I forgot about tax. So, it ended up being 37 cents, as you guys seen on the screen. I had an extra buck on my account, and I could have used that, but we didn't use it because I probably can use that for something else, since it was only 34 cents or 37 cents. So I just paid the 37 cents, and all of these paid 37 cents. Period, Paul. We getting better. When I get to the house, of course, I'm gonna do the regular, let everything out, let y'all see what we got for the day. So I think for CVS, I'm gonna keep my 2 accounts, but for Walgreens, I did close the second account, just because I don't go to Walgreens as much. But this is fun. I'm having fun. I hope y'all having fun. But yeah, like I said, I like to build up my extra care bucks first, to like do deals that I know will get me extra care bucks, and then I will come back and just go off and get everything I want. And you can use coupons. So at CVS, the CVS's that I go to, the limit is 4 of the same coupon in the same transaction. So I purposely got 4 Tide Pods, 4 of the boosters, and then 3 of the game. And had I did it separately, like if I had 8, I would just have to do 4 in this transaction and then do 4 in the next transaction. So I always keep that in mind while doing it, but I think I'm getting better at this. And this is an easy way to stock up my parents' houses, because like I said, I needed a hobby, and there's a lot of us, and growing up, I see my parents like buy so much detergent and just talk about how expensive it was. So detergent and toothpaste and body wash are kind of like the main things that I like to get. But if I get something else, it's fun. And of course, I always go for the hair products too, because that's what I do anyway. So it's fun to get, you know, just extra stuff. So yeah, guys, I am home. So this is the first transaction at Walgreens. Okay, then we have the first transaction at CVS. The buy 30, spend 30, get 10. Then we have the Nexus conditioner, and we got the $10 extra buck back. Then we have these 5 toothpaste, and that's when I got the $19 in extra bucks back. I actually did these 2 together, got $19 back. And last but not least, this is everything that rung up for 37 cents after extra bucks and my coupons.